Welcome to our ML Web project, Deep Medicine. This is Group 7, Track 2, ML Web. Our group comprises 2 second-year FAMER Fellows, Dr. Amr Al-Hassani and Dr. Amira Badran, 3 first-year FAMER Fellows, Dr. Walid Arafat, Dr. Yasmin Gamal, and myself, Dr. Hala El-Kammar, and our very supportive advisor, Dr. Niveen Bahe. By the end of the first week, the fellows should be able to define the concept of deep medicine, link between deep medicine and deep learning, differentiate between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, illustrate the different applications of deep medicine. So what is deep medicine? You cannot search for the term deep medicine without coming across the name Dr. Eric Topol. He was the first to introduce the term deep medicine. Deep medicine explores how artificial intelligence could dramatically reshape the healthcare industry, from how illnesses are diagnosed to the way patients are cared for, according to each patient's individual characteristics. Now, we cannot help it, but our current experience of care is overworked clinicians who rush through patients without truly emphasizing, listening, or even being present. Artificial intelligence has the power to change this, perhaps even to bring the human side back to medicine. According to Topol, in the next several decades, physicians will be able to delegate a lot of their everyday tasks to AI, while still maintaining, if not even improving, the personalized patient care. The difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is a program that can sense, reason, act, and adapt. Machine learning is algorithms whose performance improve as they are exposed to more data over time, and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning in which multi-layered neural networks learn from vast amounts of data. Machine learning and deep learning are both types of AI. In short, machine learning is AI that can automatically adapt with minimal human interference. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to mimic the learning process of a human brain. Now, we've collected a simple comparison between machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI, while deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Machine learning can train on smaller data sets. Deep learning requires large amounts of data. Machine learning requires more human intervention to correct and learn. Deep learning is actually more advanced. It learns on its own from environment and past mistakes. Machine learning needs shorter training and lower accuracy. Deep learning needs longer training but give higher accuracy. Machine learning makes simple linear correlations, while deep learning makes non-linear complex correlations. Machine learning can train on a CPU. Deep learning needs a more specialized graphics processing unit. Now, what are the applications of deep medicine? We have broadly divided the applications into the healthcare sector and the education sector. During the first week, we will focus on the healthcare sector, starting with diagnosis. Deep medicine can be applied in diagnosis. There are several applications. We'll list a few. Enhanced detection system for healthcare associated transmission, otherwise known as EDS-HAT. It combines whole genome sequencing and machine learning of electronic health records to anticipate or detect outbreaks before they happen in healthcare facilities. diagnostics in image processing. Use of algorithmic image processing to spot pathology that the human eye cannot see, such as, for example, risk of cardiovascular disease from retinal scans. In cancer diagnosis, certain algorithms can now teach AI to differentiate between malignant and benign lesions. Also, it's been used in detecting melanomas, using cameras to take wide-field photographs of large areas of patients' bodies that the program quickly and effectively identifies and screens for melanoma. Voice analytics, which has proved very useful during the COVID lockdown. AI can detect if a patient is catching COVID through his sound waves. Everyone is now familiar with the wearables. We can check the heart rate, oxygen saturation, pulse through the smartwatch. Second, patient care management and research. AI, or deep medicine, is used in drug discovery. Machines that use aspects of AI can do reactions that could not be predicted beforehand, or condense what would usually take 4 years into just 1 year of clinical trials and lab work. Treatment design. On the basis of personal medical history combined with common medical knowledge to provide customized treatment path for each patient according to his or her individual genetic structure, like targeted therapy for cancer patients. It's trying to overcome the one-size-fits-all approach of treatment. Robot-assisted operations in dentistry, and I'm a dentist. It's now been used in root canal treatments and in surgeries. Virtual assistants for nursing and chatbots. Machine learning to personalize digital therapeutics virtual assistants to navigate the healthcare system. Patients can talk to chatbots or to nurses. They can manage their treatment schedules. They can help them find or answer any question they want to know.
Nowadays, everyone's familiar with the expressions ChatGPT and Google Bard. From young people, teenagers, doctors, educators, even government officials. So what's the difference between Google Bard and ChatGPT? Both are language models, chatbots that are developed by major companies. Google Bard is through Google and ChatGPT by the company OpenAI. Both can be used to generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. There are some differences though. Google Bard is available via a web page directly, while ChatGPT is available via an API application programming interface. Google Bard is new, it's under development, while ChatGPT is a more mature product. Both, however, have immense potential. So how are they of any help to us in the medical field? They can generate medical reports, saving time, translating medical texts, and answering patient questions.
Now, on a relevant side note, a team of researchers here in Egypt in Ain Shams University launched a robot nurse. They called it Shams. Shams speaks Arabic and can recognize the faces of doctors and nurses and communicate effectively. So it's clear that deep medicine, AI are going to be a part of our healthcare systems, which raises the concern of whether AI will eventually replace human physicians. However, several scientists, and I quote from Dr. Keith Horvath, state that AI will not replace physicians. Physicians using AI will replace those who don't. Thank you.